Hi friends, today we are planned to cover the topic storage access policy. It's a part of AZ 104. Okay, so my previous video I already explained shared access signatures token. It's a continuity of my previous video. Please watch my previous section. I put the link in the below description. Okay, so what we will cover for storage access policy. Storage access policy means it's provide an additional layer of control over the SaaS by introducing policy for managing the SaaS token. So simple things. I already explained how to we can create the shared access signature. So what is the problem of shared access signature? Once you create, you need to edit or something. Example, you want to change the date and you need to change the permission level. So you need to create again the SaaS token. So how to we can solve this issue? The access policy can help you to solve. You can edit or you can edit your date or you can change your access levels, read or write permission. So access policy can help to do this one. You don't want to change your SaaS token. Without changing the SaaS token, access policy will help to change your store access policy, change your start time, expire time, or permission for the signature. So I will show in the demo, then you can understand very easily. So whatever the change will be you making, the change will affect for after 30 seconds to take the effect. Okay. So when you create or update your storage access policy on the container table, you or share or change may take up to 30 seconds to take the effect. Okay. So now I will go to our demo. Then you can understand easily for the what is the use of the access policy. Okay, now we will reach our Azure portal. First step, we will make one block container. Okay, I already explained my previous topic how to make the resource group, how to make the storage account. So just to refer how to, because I am directly go for here making the storage account. Okay, storage container. Okay, just I will go for my storage account. Then I just go for make a container. Okay, just click the container. Okay, click the container. Then after give one name, I will give image, then create. Okay, so now the storage account container will be created. Then after that, how to we can generate the SaaS. You will, before how to you generate my previous video, just we will generate the SaaS token. Just click then generate the SaaS token. So we will put the date, starting date and expiry date. Okay, then we will generate the start. Now I generate our start token. So I just copy this token, then because I will show the difference. Okay, so I copy my SaaS token here and okay, so we will go for again our portal. Okay, so as per the SaaS, you need to change the date. How to we will change the date after make the SaaS token? Just to close this one, then I need to make the changes my SaaS token. So again, you need to change the SaaS token. How to you generate again SaaS? Then what happened? You did. I will change the date like 13. Okay. Then what happened? Again, you need to generate the SaaS token. See, now I will show the difference. Okay, see, I will copy my new SaaS token here. Okay, see the everything is different. The signature level is different. Everything you see the date and everything. See that this signature. See the signature. Signature is different for the SaaS token. See here the signature. This one the signature. So this signature and this signature is different. So what happened? Every time you needed to edit the date or something like this one, you needed to change every time your SaaS tokens. Huh? So how to we can solve this issue? Solve this issue means how to we can rectify this complicated section, because that is a help for the access policy. So now you can go for the access policy. You can make one access policy. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do? We will make one access policy. Click here. Then we will create one add policy. So policy name image access whatever the policy and give the permission read. Okay, So first we will go for starting date 7 and ending date 8. Okay, then click OK. After that, save your policy. So okay, you will successfully update. It's take 30 seconds to access the policy, but no problem. What we will do, we will go for our container, then we will upload one images. Okay, upload one image. We will upload this image. Okay, upload complete. Yeah, our upload is completed. Then we will generate one SaaS token. So here you can see key one, and we need to select our policy image act. Okay, so whatever the policy we put the date 7 and it is automatically coming, and then you need to generate the your token. So I just to copy this token, then I will paste in the notepad. So here I paste our new SaaS token through access policy. Okay, then we will go for close our token. Then we will go for checking. Yeah, see now you can see your images because through your SaaS token. Okay, so what we will do now, we will we already put the date. What is the date we are putting? Yeah, 7 to 7 8. So I just edit this policy, then you can see the difference. Just to go for edit, see, I just change it to date for previous date 6. Okay, then okay. Yeah. Then I will successfully save. Yeah, your access will be saved. So I don't change anything in our SaaS access token. So we will check the what is the result we will come. So we will, before we are copying the same link, we will copy. We not change anything here. Just to go for here, see the difference because we are putting the date in the previous date. So you cannot see the 3 July to expire date on 5 July because before you can see, because we are already put the date in the present. So you can see the what is the difference between the access policy. In access policy, after you create, you don't want to change the SaaS token. You can change only your access policy. I think now you can understand what is the use of the access policy and how to you can generate the access policy through SaaS token. So I will now wind up our topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.